Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. On tonight's menu, coconut curry chicken and sweet potato stew. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Melting and heating up some ghee in the Dutch oven. Add the onions and saute. Add the ginger, the garlic, and the serrano pepper and saute. Add all the spice blends. Then we add the chicken and saute for several minutes. Then we add the sweet potato, the brown sugar, and the tomato paste, and all together. We add the stock. Then we add the tomatoes. And then we add the coconut milk and stir it all together. Here it is before the simmer. And we're going to simmer for about 30 minutes. Here it is after the simmer. Then I add the bok choy greens. And it's all together after about 5 minutes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.